If you ever wanted to make money online but didn't want to create your own product, deal with customers, or learn a complicated skill, this might be the simplest way to start because right now people are using AI and affiliate marketing to make money online by promoting tools that they didn't even create. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start in AI affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. No experience, no product, no guesswork. And I'm even going to show you a real example. Let's break this down. Affiliate marketing means you promote a product, you get paid when someone signs up through your link. Now, we're going to combine that with AI, and you can create content faster, find ideas instantly, automate most of the work. So instead of spending weeks figuring things out, you can start creating today. Here's where most beginners go wrong. They sign up for an affiliate program, watch a bunch of videos, and never actually take action. Or they try to do too much at once, too many tools, too many ideas, too much confusion. So in this video, I'm going to keep it simple. By the end of this video, you'll know how to pick an AI affiliate product, how to create content around it, how to get your first clicks and commissions. So step one is to pick your affiliate product. So in my last video, I showed you how to find AI affiliate programs. For this example, we're going to use Pikzels AI. So what Pikzels does, it creates high converting YouTube thumbnails. It uses AI to generate eye-catching visuals fast and help boost your click-through rate. So this is a good affiliate product because it's high demand. YouTube plus content creation is booming. It's beginner friendly and easy to use, and it helps the creators directly get more views. So a tool that people are already searching for to help them grow and make money is going to be a good choice. Now we're going to go to step two, which is our researching our content ideas. Now that we need ideas for content, that's where AI comes in. Use Google Gemini and ask it to give me 10 video ideas promoting Pikzels AI for beginners. So now we're going to go to Gemini and we're just going to type in, give me 10 videos, 10 video ideas promoting Pikzels for beginners. And then after you put that in, and you can, of course, change it with your affiliate program or whatever you're promoting. But go ahead and put that in there, and it's going to begin to generate you results. You can choose which one you like the most and then go on to the next step. Step three is create your content. Now take one of the ideas from Gemini and go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a beginner-friendly YouTube script reviewing Pikzels AI or whatever affiliate you're creating content for. And this is going to save you hours of work. You don't need to be a writer because AI does the heavy lifting. Step four, you're going to create the video. Now, turn the script into content. You can do two things. You can do a talking head video like this explaining how Pikzels works, show your screen, and you can do it that way, or you can do it faceless where you just show the screenshots, you do a voiceover and other visuals. You don't have to overthink the production. And then the final step is, before the final step, I just want to give a huge shout out to my channel members. Thank you. And if you want to join and have your name added to the list, then you can go ahead and click the join button below. The last step is adding your affiliate link. And now I'm heading over into the affiliate dashboard for Pikzels. So literally their sign up is very easy. To get started, I already customized my link at the bottom to my name, Jordan E. And literally I can just share that link right there. You click those two squares, that circle with the two squares in them. That's how you copy your link. And then that's the link that you are going to use for your referrals. And most programs have a similar setup. You sign up and then get your link. This is how you make money. You're going to add your affiliate link in your description, in your pinned comment, and in your bio. Now I'm going to hop into the studio just to show you real quickly how to add it to your bio. So go ahead and scroll down on the side to customization. And once you're in customization, you're going to be under the profile tab. Scroll down to where it says links. And this is where you can add the links in your bio. So I already have some in there. I'm going to go ahead and click add link. And we're going to put the Pikzels link in our bio. So it's link title. You have to put something there. So I'm just going to say increase the CTR or increase CTR because people on my channel, they'll know what that means. And it also kind of creates some curiosity. And let's just go ahead and add a little emoji to it just to help it stand out a little bit. Then we're going to go over to Pikzels and we're going to copy that link that I showed you earlier in the video. So I just went ahead and clicked those squares. It's going to copy it to my clipboard. I'm going to go back into YouTube Studio and paste it. Once it's pasted, go ahead and click publish at the top of your studio. That's how it saves it. And then you can go to channel to view the link in your bio. When someone clicks and signs up and gets on a plan, then you will earn a commission. Now let's connect the dots because content is going to get views. The views will get you clicks. The clicks will get you sales and the sales will bring in income. And the more content you create, the more chances you have to earn. So this is not instant. Your first video might get a few views and no clicks, but that's normal. But over time, it's going to compound. So one video turns into 10 videos, then 10 videos turn into 20 videos. Now you have assets working for you. So here's your plan. Pick a product, use Gemini for the ideas, use ChatGPT to make scripts, post the content consistently, and add your affiliate links. Now, most people will watch this and never start. They'll wait for the perfect time, the perfect setup, perfect knowledge. But people making money, they started messy. And as y'all can probably hear my children in the background. So it's all right. So if you're serious about making money online with AI, start today. Pick one tool, create one video, and take one step. And if this helped you, like the video, comment start if you're ready to take action, and subscribe for more AI and money content. And in the next video, I'll show you how to turn this into a full passive income system. See you there. Have a great day, guys, and see you in the next one. I love this community, but to keep this channel sustainable, I have created 3 ways that you can get involved. Glow Squad level 1, you'll get your loyalty badges and custom emojis. Plus, you'll get priority replies to comments, membership shout outs at level 2. This is where things get even more personal. You get everything from level 1, plus exclusive member only videos, status, and member only live chats and shorts. The join button is right next to the subscribe button. To those of you who choose to join the Glow Squad membership, thank you for directly supporting me. And to those who simply watch and cheer me on, thank you for being here. You all keep glowing.